Join us as we escape to paradise by exploring Gran Canaria's best resorts. Maspalomas. Maspalomas is located on the south coast of Gran Canaria, in the Canary Islands. It is famous for its stunning beaches and sand dunes and features a wide range of activities, from shopping and nightlife to water sports and golf. The city is also home to several attractions, including the iconic Maspalomas Lighthouse, a botanical garden, and the popular Pomitos Park. It is home to a wide variety of shops, restaurants, and bars, offering something for everyone. Maspalomas is also well known for its lively nightlife, with a wide range of bars, clubs and live music venues. The city is also home to some of the best restaurants in Gran Canaria, serving traditional Canarian dishes as well as international cuisine. Lastly, the beaches of Maspalomas are some of the most beautiful in the world, with warm crystal blue waters and stunning white sand. Playa de Ingles. Playa del Ingles is a beach resort located on the south coast of Gran Canaria. It is a popular destination for tourists, offering a wide range of activities and attractions, such as its stunning beaches, bustling nightlife, and a wide selection of restaurants and bars. The city is also home to several water parks and golf courses, as well as several shopping centers. Playa del Ingles is also a great spot for sunbathing and relaxing, offering stunning views of the sea and mountains. Las Palmas. Las Palmas de Gran Canaria is the capital city of the island of Gran Canaria in the Canary Islands. It is a vibrant city with a rich cultural and historical heritage, as well as being a popular tourist destination. It offers a wide range of attractions, including beautiful beaches, lively nightlife, a bustling old town, and unique museums and galleries. The city is a bustling port and a great base from which to explore the rest of the island, with easy access to other popular destinations such as Maspalomas and Playa del Ingles. Las Palmas de Gran Canaria is also known for its excellent restaurants, bars and shops, so there is plenty to do and see during your visit. For some amazing offers to Gran Canaria and many other wonderful places around the world, see the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.